How to answer IB biology essay questions. Let's answer this question. How ATP is produced by photosystem during the light-dependent stage? 7 marks. Step 1. Understand the question. Focus on photosystem to ATP production, the light-dependent reactions. Step 2. Plan your key points. To get full marks, structure your answer logically. Here's what to include. 1. Light absorption by photosystem. 2. Photolysis of water. 3. Movement of electrons through the electron transport chain. 4. Proton pumping and chemiosmosis. 5. ATP synthase producing ATP. Step 3. Write a structured answer. Here's a model paragraph. Step 4. Key tips for essay questions. 1. Use keywords like photolysis, proton gradient, chemiosmosis, and ATP synthase. 2. Break your explanation into logical steps. 3. Be concise but thorough. Aim to hit all 7 points. More IB resources can be found in my link in bio. Follow for more IB tips.